Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple locations on Google Map Android. So let's get right into it. First of all, we have to open up Google Maps. Okay, once it open, then we have to hit on our location. So this is our current location and we've saved it in our Google Map, and now I'm going to hit on the other location and I'm going to hit on save. These both locations are saved into my list. Same as I will select the other location and now I'm going to hit on save. And then we will hit on our list. If you want to create new list, then you have to hit on this plus button and you will be able to create new list. But I've already created this list, so I will hit on my list, and you can add this list into your favorites and you can select these options as well. So for now, I'm going to hit on my list and I'm gonna hit on done. And this is it guys. So this is how to add multiple locations on Google Maps Android. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.